Derek from Brisbane woke up to find his iPhone 13 completely dead. After charging it overnight, still nothing. With years of precious photos, videos and encrypted data at stake, he needed true data recovery experts. Hey, I'm Mike, visiting Payam Data Recovery in Rhodes, New South Wales, Australia's most highly skilled experts in the field of iPhone data recovery. Established in 1998, recovering over 5,000 iPhones per year. I'm here with senior technician Paolo, who specialises in recovering data from completely dead iPhones and smartphones. Modern iPhones store data in encrypted form tied directly to the logic board. Unlike other devices, you cannot remove the memory chip and read it with software. You must repair the original board to decrypt and access the data. After inspection, Paolo confirmed 0 signs of life, no charging response. Connecting to the DC power revealed a classic power rail short, preventing the power management system from starting up. These shorts typically come from failed capacitors, liquid corrosion, or stressed components in the iPhone's power network. Using a thermal camera, Paolo pinpointed the exact heat source. Here's the real challenge. The iPhone 13 uses a sandwich board architecture. 3 rigidly stacked logic layers with thousands of micro connections. Paolo carefully separated the layers using professional techniques and heat without damaging the delicate circuitry. Great news! The top layer containing the A15 chip, memory and storage controller was perfect, giving direct access to Derek's data. The bottom power layer failure didn't matter for data recovery. Paolo mirrored the storage chip to a donor board using specialized chip-off equipment. The result? Over 8,000 photos, 250 videos, messages and apps recovered to an external hard drive. Our team prepared a detailed report with file listing and screen preview. Once Derek approves the results, he makes payment and we ship everything back with free return postage. When your iPhone won't turn on and local repair shops say it's impossible, Payam Data Recovery has the expertise to help. Over 2,000 IT companies and phone repair shops across Australia send us their toughest cases. If you're facing a similar situation, contact us at payam.com.au or call our team on 1300 444 800.